My journey to explore curry culture in America has taken me all over New York City. I've had Jamaican curry goat in Flatbush, Malaysian curry hot pot in Chinatown, and Japanese curry rice in the East Village. But now as I explore Korea's relationship with curry, I had to leave the 5 boroughs and head to the Golden State. I'm here in LA, home of one of the country's largest Koreatowns, to see what K-Town curry is all about. To help me on my quest, I'm teaming up with a true Korean-American icon. Jay Park is a K-pop heartthrob turned Rock Nation rapper who had a breakout year thanks to his Korean drinking anthem Soju. From curry instant noodles to BBQ Curry Chicken, we're heading to To Bang Cafe where Chef Chris Oh is whipping up a special spread of Korean comfort classics. Let's eat. So you just had a song with 2 Chainz called Soju. What can you tell me about Korean drinking culture?
It's extreme. In Korea, you can buy alcohol at all hours of the day. Everything's open 24 hours. Even this place is called To Bang.
Okay, what does that mean?
So To means throw up, Bang means room. So basically this is the throw up room. Side dishes, when you drink, or appetizers or whatever, it's called anju. And that shit is very, very important. You know, you can't drink on an empty stomach. There's a lot of like soups and broths and stuff like that while you drink. Or there's like, yeah, just a bunch of shit. We'll probably see something like today.
So for those who don't know, what is Soju?
Soju is basically the drink of Korea. It's like the traditional drink of Korea. Everybody from younger people to elders drink it. Everybody drinks it, from like, you know, they get lit, or like they drink it like when it's like they're sad, or they drink it when like they try to have a conversation with somebody, like, yo, let's have some soju, bro. Like, let's have it, you know. So everybody drinks it.
So we're gonna be eating Korean curry.
So my mom would, you know, cook for us, like dinner for us every time we come home from school. Every so often, she would make curry from the instant packets. I feel like Korean curry, it always has potatoes and carrots in it. I know there's kare, which is Japanese curry. I know there's Indian curry. I know there's Indonesian curry. I know there's Steph curry. I know there's...
But that's the whole point of this idea, is
finding
out what curry is, but it came from India and it traveled the world. It kind of had its own journey through different cultures.
We're like the curry hunters.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, that's kind of dope.
All right, we're gonna eat a lot today. I'm hungry. I did not eat breakfast.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get it.
First up, we're gonna be trying Samyang's curry hot chicken flavor ramen. Samyang is a stir-fried instant noodle from Korea, which became popular in the US in recent years thanks to the viral Fire Noodle Challenge. The freeze-dried noodles come with a thick, spicy curry sauce and a packet of fried potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, you do a good little turn thing.
Isn't this how like little kids eat spaghetti? People don't really eat it like this in Korea. I think this is just me. It's kind of spicy.
It grows.
Nah, this is straight. This is cool. This is actually kind of good. This is the curry flavor.
Yeah.
So I think the original one is hotter. You know, you could have like any type of flavor.
Yeah.
There's cheese, there's, you know, spicy, there's like black bean paste. It tastes like curry, but a very light curry.
Yeah, very light curry.
Yeah.
So I heard that Koreans actually consume the most instant noodles all around the world. What is the obsession with that?
It's good, it's easy. My parents eat it, like all the homies eat it. Like we go to, you know, like little PC cafes?
What's that?
So it's called a PC Pang. It's like an internet cafe. They just stay there for hours and they just eat, you know, noodle and or they study a lot, and then so they need something just kind of fast and quick, and so they eat noodles and then go back to studying. I know that hella people in Korea eat it, but I didn't know that it was like they consume more than anybody in the world.
There's this whole internet trend of, I might say this wrong, mukbang?
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
This is mukbang, man. We're mukbanging it up.
Mug is like, I think it's short for like 먹는 방송, and then pang is like 방송. So it's like eating broadcast, basically. It could be someone trying just good food, someone trying weird foods. It could be anything.
But just broadcasting it.
People make a shitload of money. Like, there's this dude, he just orders hella food, like pizza and shit. He just eats it. He gets paid like hundreds of thousands of dollars a year.
How do you feel about the whole Asian hip-hop scene blowing up in the US? I know we have Chris Wu, we have yourself, we have 88 Rising. Are we seeing a moment for Asian rap right now?
The space is getting bigger for people like me and for people like, you know, Higher Brothers, Rich Brian. People like Stupid Young, you know who that is? He's this Cambodian dude from Long Beach. He's like an Asian YG. You know, there's people like Dumbfounded who's been putting on for a while. So I think people are getting used to seeing an Asian person, you know, rap and do hip hop. And so like they're getting used to it, so the space for it is getting bigger. Yeah.
Next up, we have the classic Korean style curry rice. Here, Chris is making the dish with a pack of instant curry powder. 2 cups of cooked rice, potato, carrots, onions, garlic, and bacon, and then a fried egg is laid on top. You're breaking the egg first. I'm gonna follow you.
All right, no, don't follow me. I don't really eat curry that often, so I'm just doing what feels natural to me.
What's more?
Ooh, that's good.
Very like thick consistency for the curry on the rice. The egg is really nice with it.
How is this compared to all the other curries that you've tried?
This one's, I feel like maybe a little bit more savory, but similar to a Japanese curry.
Okay.
Very different from like the Jamaican, and the Japanese one's a little bit more on the sweeter side. Have you ever had Japanese curry?
I have. I really like Japanese curry.
So from my understanding, Korean curry came from Japan. How would you describe the similarities or differences between Japanese and Korean cuisine?
I mean, they definitely have sushi. Sushi and then Korea, they have kue.
Okay,
It's
what's
like
that?
it's like sashimi.
Okay.
And then in Korea it's called ramyeon, and then in Japanese it's called ramen.
Okay.
Like ramen.
Oh, okay.
Ramen, yeah. I feel like in Korea everything's a little bit more spicy, like because they use a lot more peppers. So yeah, there are similar dishes, but the tastes are very different for sure.
So I know that this is actually a big home cooking staple. What
Yeah.
was the food like in your house growing up? Did your mom make this?
Definitely everything would have rice involved, just because like I love rice and we're Asian. So it'd be like hamburger helper with rice. Like it'd be like a fusion of Western food and Korean food. I didn't really like curry growing up. I didn't like kimchi before I went to Korea, but now it's kind of like all I eat is Korean food.
So we've been talking a lot about Korea, but I know you're from Seattle and you've lived a lot of your life there. Seattle actually invented the American style of teriyaki.
Ever since I was growing up till now, there's been hella just teriyaki spots, and it's all owned by Korean people. So like all the Korean families, they either own like a dry cleaning or like a teriyaki spot.
Okay.
I guess, you know, like the Korean Americans in Seattle, they kind of like took teriyaki and put their own twist to it. And I used to eat it a lot, but not so much these days.
Well, I don't want to get too stuffed because we got one more dish. You're gonna love it. You're gonna call your mom and say, hey, you know all those days that you were making curry? I was wrong, Mom. I'm sorry.
No, for sure. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up? My name is Chef Chris O. I'm chef owner of Chingu Hawaii, Soul Sausage, managing partner at K-Pop Foods. And I'm here in K-Town. I'm taking over Tobang, doing a Korean takeover. Curry in a Korean standpoint and Korean culture was more like a comfort food. You know, you'd come home from like a rainy day, you know, your mom would make you this like nice, hot, bubbly, gooey curry from out of the packet over some rice. It was kind of like our like comfort food as our chicken noodle soup. So basically what I did for Jay and Jasmine was this BBQ Curry Chicken with cheese. It's based off this really fun dish in Korea where they take chicken with some melted mozzarella. But what we did today was kind of just sparked it up with some curry. It's a really fun and really delicious dish. The first thing I did with that dish was marinate the chicken in the curry, let that sit for a couple hours, and then once that marinated, I threw it right onto the grill. What we're looking for on the chicken when we're grilling it is that nice char. You know, I'm sure there's some natural sugars in the curry that want to get caramelized. The type of cheese we're using is just good old classic mozzarella. Apparently, mozzarella is a big thing in Korea right now. I don't know why, but it tastes good. It's nice and melty, so we just use mozzarella. Top it with a little bit of corn. So if you guys know what corn cheese is, it's this real traditional Korean street food drinking dish. And after that, we did some shreds of pickled ginger, some pickled jalapenos, topped with a little furikake, and put some green onions and send it out. And who doesn't love hot melted cheese and some delicious ass chicken?
We got this burner in front of us. I don't know what we gotta do, but we need some help.
Yeah, so the best thing about Korean restaurants is you don't have to wait for a waiter because they have this bell. So.
Did you
What's good,
ring?
sir? Yes, sir.
All right, guys, you guys ready for your last dish?
Yes. Oh my God, that looks delicious.
Is that cheese on the bottom?
That's cheese.
Oh.
So we got barbecue chicken curry with some cheese, some corn, some jalapenos, some pickled ginger, wait for the fire to melt the cheese, and
Okay.
then just take a piece of chicken, take some cheese, and just have one big party in your mouth.
Wow, thank
Okay,
you.
so-
I appreciate it, man.
Of course, guys.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
thank you.
guys. Cheers. Peace.
All
Chris
right.
O.
All right, this looks so intense. I'm excited to try this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you already got your bite ready?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Woo.
That's really good.
This is the one.
Not bomb.
This is the one. This is the one. What's the name of this dish? It's called the Chris O. Chris O's famous chicken.
This chicken kind of reminds me of tandoori chicken.
What chicken?
Tandoori. It's an
Okay.
Indian style chicken, often red, and they do it in a tandoor, which is like a clay oven. And they put it
Okay.
in there and it gets all charred, but this is delicious.
It's endless. Look at this. It's endless.
So corn and cheese is not necessarily a pairing that I've done before, but how big is this in Korean cooking?
You would eat corn cheese as an anju, like when you drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when you drink. And so this place is like a drinking spot. It's called Tobam. So I think that's why they have it. But this is on another level. I've had cheese and corn together. I've had chicken, but I've never had it like all in the same little pot. But this is good. I regret not having it and not trying it till now, but I'm glad I tried it.
No, it's delicious. The chicken with the corn and cheese, and it's like the bubble effect that in itself looks so beautiful.
And these little jalapenos and these little like pickled ginger things, they add like a good flavor to it. But this is definitely a good drunk food. Like
Yeah.
from a night of drinking, come here, eat this to
Yeah.
just seal off your day, and
Yeah.
then you just knock out.
Well, thank you for joining me, Jay. You can check out his EP, Ask About Me, and keep on eating that curry.
No, for sure. Yeah, I definitely will.
All right, there you have it. Season 1 is in the books. Over the course of the 6 episodes, I got to learn Jamaican slang with Sean Paul, suck on a shrimp brain with Joe Coy, slurp ramen noodles with Rina Sawayama, died on the ghost chili chicken with Asif Manvi, and ate a lot of curry. Nothing connects people quite like food. And curry, this hard to define mixture of spices and traditions, touches almost every culture around the world, from India to the Philippines to Korea to Japan. Thank you all for traveling with me this season, and make sure to let us know what curries you'd like to see featured on the show in the comments. We here, we hungry, this is a curry shop, and we out.